Hey everybody, welcome into Mud's Closet. I have a Michael's grab bag for $10 that I want to do an unboxing with. When I asked them there at the store, they did say that they were all floral, and I can tell that they're probably right. So we'll see what's in here. It's very heavy, and while I don't do much with florals, what I was really thinking about is I like to have flowers to take to the cemetery, and I like flower petals in my junk journals and paper crafts. So hopefully this box will be that for me. I maybe kind of new at doing this on video, y'all. I maybe should have done some of this beforehand, or had scissors that maybe worked a little better. But my goodness, do they have this taped up well. The ladies there, as I say, were very helpful. My store is a little smaller. There's a big one on the other side of town, and the one over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, this is a box of yellow tulips. Actually, those will be really nice for what I want them for. Looks like they're $10 a bouquet, regular price. They generally have them on sale, but that's still so. Those are really beautiful. I was maybe hoping for a little variety, but I'm not going to complain because there are a ton in here. Oh, there's something else on the bottom. Those seriously are beautiful. I'm just gonna have to set them on the floor. I'm counting them as I take them out. I'm at 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, what I saw was just this one white tulip. So for $10, I got 30 pretty sturdy bunches of tulips that are marked $10 each, so that's $300 for $10. In my head, I'm saying to myself that I would have liked if there was a little variety, and I'm not disappointed with this. These will be useful. So $10 at Michael's. These are floral grab bags. Seemed like most of them seemed a little springier when I could peek through the opening. Tell me what you would do with 30 stems of yellow tulips. And leave me a note if you've gotten one of these and what you've gotten in it, or a link to your unboxing video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for stopping in. Have a great day.